Most people miss out on personal branding's power. It's how you control what others think of you. The secret? Consistency. Take Coca Cola. They hammer happiness in a bottle into our minds with every ad, making us link Coke to joy. You can do this for your career. Here are the 3 steps. Step 1: see yourself as a product. Employers need reliable talent to dodge risks. They're scared of unproven hires. That's your market's pain point. What value do you bring? Are you a project manager who guarantees on time delivery or a marketer boosting sales by 15%? Write down your top skills and back them with proof, like specific results, to show you're the solution, not just fluff. Step 2: craft a positioning statement to guide your brand. This doesn't need to be public. Think of it like your North Star to help you navigate. Use this for target market. I am the role who solves pain point with value proposition. Example: for startups looking for rapid growth, I'm the marketer who boosts revenue by at least 15% through tailored campaigns. Step 3: reinforce your positioning daily. Take projects that prove your value, like that marketer chasing sales wins. After each win, share a quick summary with stakeholders, aligning it to your statement. Update your LinkedIn headline to match. Example: growth marketer helped 3 startups boost revenue 15% through custom campaigns. Engage on social media with your field's pros to amplify it. Consistency, like Coca Cola's ads, builds trust with decision makers. This is a quick overview, but if you want more detail on this, let me know in the comments below.